The much awaited assembly election in West Bengal will be held over 8 rounds from March 27th to April 29th for 294 seats. In the politically charged state, the ruling Trinamool Congress and PM Modi led Bharatiya Janata Party are locked in a bitter contest this time. The TMC, headed by two-time Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee, is striving hard to score a hat-trick. The BJP is also leaving no stone unturned to make sure lotus blooms in the state. The third front has the CPM and Congress entering into a seat-sharing arrangement, and this combine is also trying to align with the ISF. Let's hear out what the voters have to say about the West Bengal election.
Hello, this is Deepa Naik. According to me, the factors which should be kept in mind while voting are employment opportunities. There is an increase in unemployment rate. Secondly, it should be peace and harmony. Peace and harmony should be maintained, of course. Thirdly, is crisis management. And fourthly, bring infrastructure facilities.
Myself, Manavasis Mukherjee. I belong to West Bengal. This time, West Bengal is going through election, and lot of important factors which will impact the ballot box. But to me, the most 2-3 factors which will make significant difference. First of all, it will be the employment, because now the condition is so bad. Many people are getting frustrated with their qualification. Also, people are not getting suitable job. Then health, because we are going through a very bad phase of corona. So even for health, government will have to relook into this infrastructure.
Hello, I'm Rajashri Shah from Kolkata, and as a young voter, I would be considering few points such as how far the crisis has been managed and how good is our health infrastructure, women's security and employment in our state for voting in this election.
Hello, this is Obisi Mukherjee and I am from West Bengal. Here this time 2021 General Assembly election is going on as per the schedule in this tough time of COVID. There are mainly 3 political forces taking part in this election: TMC, the ruling party, BJP and the left front, Congress and ISF alliance. There are several issues in this election like unemployment, industrialization, corruption and of course the issue of COVID. As TMC is ruling for the last 10 years, there is a strong anti-incumbency factor which is going against TMC. The price hike of petrol, diesel and cooking gas, this issue is going against BJP. At this point of time, it is very difficult to predict the actual mood of the Bengal voters. We will have to wait for 2nd May to get the actual result.
I'm going to vote on the 26th of April this time. I'm 21 years old and I feel that I will be voting on deciding which party to vote for on certain criteria like how they have worked on the industrial development of the infrastructure development, the employment and a lot of factors like these. So I just hope the best party wins.